Hello, it's Monday, July the 25th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar fell across the board last Friday as the optimism among investors on agreement in Europe to deal with the region's debt crisis made riskier assets more attractive. With the opening of the Asian market, the dollar strengthened against the majors. Stock markets in the US closed mixed as the Dow fell by 0.34% and the Nasdaq gained 0.86%. Crude oil touched $100 but retraced to close at $99.87 a barrel, posting a 0.8% advance. Gold reached a new high at $1,623. No economic data is expected today. The euro rose against the dollar and closed at 144.23 last Friday. With the opening of the Asian market, the euro fell by 100 pips to 143.23 and back to 144. Further appreciation is possible if 144.40 is breached. Otherwise, we might see some technical adjustment down to 142.80. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 143.23 and a high of 144.36. Today, no major economic data is expected. The pound strengthened against the greenback for a third day on positive developments of the EU summit and hit a 5-week high after it finally breached resistance of 161.70. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 162.63 and a high of 163.43. No major economic data is expected today. The yen advanced against the dollar to its highest level since March as no deal on raising the US debt limit was reached. Trading below resistance of 178.60 keeps the trend negative for the pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 78.11 and a high of 78.72. No major economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This touched its strongest level against the greenback in more than 3 years as investors took the central bank's statements to mean that it may become more aggressive with interest rate increases. The pair couldn't break support of 0.9440 and rebounded to 0.95. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9476 and a high of 0.9518. Today, no major economic data is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank for simple, safe, secure trading.